Welcome to today's slow foxtrot video. We will look at routine, feather step, reverse wave, curve feather, outside spin, feather step and closed telemark. Man starts with right foot, feather step, forward, forward, forward outside partner, reverse wave, forward to side, back, then back, back, back and heel pull ending, back, heel pull to side and forward, curve feather, forward, forward, forward outside partner, outside spin, back and pivot, forward outside partner to side, feather step, forward, forward, forward outside partner and close telemark, forward to side and diagonally forward. Lady steps, lady starts with left foot, feather step, back, back, back in, CBMP, reverse wave, back, closing heel turn, forward, 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 and forward to side, close without weight, and back, curve feather, back, back, back in, CBMP, outside spin, forward, close, forward between man's feet, feather step, back, back, back in, CBMP, close telemark, back, closing heel turn and diagonally back. And now with teaching count and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's have a quick look at technique tips. Body contact in curve feather, man's footwork in heel pull finish, man's footwork in outside spin, and lady's foot position in outside spin. In curve feather we have to maintain right front to right front body contact also in outside step. Now wrong body contact is when we lose body contact in third step. Man's footwork in heel pull finish with left foot toe heel, right foot heel, inside edge of foot whole foot, inside edge of left foot and heel. Let's look at wrong footwork. Man misses heel pull, side step also is not correct and forward step also is wrong footwork. Man's footwork in outside spin, toe and toe heel. Wrong footwork on second step toe, this is not correct. Ladies' foot positions in outside spin, right foot forward, then close on toes, forward between man's feet. Wrong version is forward, then to side brush and then forward and turn. Now let's look at routine to music. Let's thank my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And I also consider you to join me on Patreon and have early access to my new videos and also learn from me personally from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.